Bonjour, hello, I am Megan Graham and I am here to bring you a video on how to use Olaplex number 3. You might say, okay, I have Olaplex number 3 and I have the directions, I think I know how to use it. But I'm just here to tell you that product is expensive, especially Olaplex, and you want to make sure that you are using it perfectly to reap all of the rewards and have the most healthy hair that you can possibly have. Olaplex number 3, before and after, you are going to notice a huge change, but only if you use the product again and again. So please don't judge this product by using it one time because you're not giving it a chance to heal, strengthen, and restructure your hair. Olaplex number 3, it's very important to start with clean hair that is slightly damp. I like to bring my Olaplex number 3 into the shower with me. So I wash my hair and then I towel dry it really well. Why do you have to towel dry your hair to have the best results with Olaplex number 3? Because the water is actually going to block the absorption of the Olaplex, which is actually going to make it not work as well. So towel dry your hair, which will make it nice and porous, and then work the product through from roots to ends. I like to use a wide tooth comb. If you don't have one, you can also use your fingers, but you do want to make sure that you get it on every single strand of your hair for the best results. After you work it into your hair, I think it's really nice to either clip your hair up or put a shower cap on top so that that Olaplex is working and you are using the heat from your body to really have that product penetrate into your hair shaft and make it shinier and healthier. Let the Olaplex number 3 sit in your hair for at least 10 minutes. This is a time where you can do all of your other shower beauty routine and just let that Olaplex work into your hair. After the Olaplex has sat for at least 10 minutes, you will want to rinse it out, shampoo your hair, condition your hair, and you are done. You're going to notice an instant difference in your hair, but every single time you do the Olaplex, it's going to feel better and better. Now, I know that some of my clients are using Olaplex number 3 overnight, but I don't think that this is necessary. You can leave it on overnight, but I don't think you're receiving any more benefits than just doing it in the shower, and it's really not that good for you to sleep with wet hair. You're actually introducing bacteria into your pillow, you are sleeping on wet hair, which is in a weakened state, and your hair can only absorb so much Olaplex at a time. So I would honestly say that using it in the shower is all that you need to do. It's more convenient, it's neater, and you're going to get absolutely great results. One extremely important thing to remember when you're using Olaplex number 3 is that while it is an absolutely incredible product, it can't work miracles. It's not a magic wand. So you should be doing the right things for your hair. Avoiding flat irons, being careful when you're in the sun, brushing your hair carefully, and remembering that your hair can only take so much color-wise. So I am very careful when I color my clients' hair in Boston. I don't do anything that I know is going to break their hair, and sometimes that means saying no to them. Sometimes that means educating people and telling them, no, you can't be 6 different colors in 1 year because your hair is going to be dead. So with my own hair, I actually stay in a color range that is really within probably 1 level, and I might make it a little bit more red or a bit cooler and things like that, but I'm not going from dark to light constantly. If you are doing that, no matter how much Olaplex you use, your hair will not be healthy. I really hope that these tips were helpful to you. If you have any questions about how to use Olaplex, please feel free to comment below. I would also love it if you would take a minute to comment and let me know, have you used Olaplex? Did you think it was effective? Did you notice a change in your hair? I think it's one of those things you have to give it at least 2 months before you make a judgment on it. One use will make a difference and it will feel so much softer, but it's the long-term cumulative effects for what you do with your hair that make a difference. Have a great day, stay healthy and beautiful, and I will talk to you guys soon.